Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunities from various companies like CGI, Hexaware, Amazon, Wipro, and other important hiring. So agar aap freshers and looking for important opportunity, then this video is for you. So first important opportunity that is from the CGI. They are hiring for the role of application support monitoring engineer. And for this job that I have already provided, still they are accepting the application. So if you are interested, you can apply. This is a full-time role. And for this, the job location is Bangalore. And freshers are eligible for this, but you should have some knowledge in the corresponding text track. So make sure to check out the link in the descriptions and apply accordingly. Moving to next, that is from the MThree. So again, this is the hiring which is continuously going on for the role of graduate recruitment program. And this is a tech profile. So the requirement is you should be having degree in computer science, technology or related STEM subjects and have 60% aggregate. No backlogs or arrears are allowed and should having strong foundational knowledge in Java, Python, C++ or either or any other languages. Now the application process is first you have to apply for the positions, clear the first round of aptitude and coding assessment and strong chance of getting the assessment mail. Then you have to clear the communicating screening, then technical interview, then final interview. Then you will be getting joining training for 6 to 12 weeks and upon conversion you will be getting the final conversion. So starting salary for this is 9.15 LPA with 12 monthly salary increases chances. So this is strong profile. If you want you can apply. Moving to next, that is from the Hexaware. They are hiring for the role of GenAI developer associate and इसके लिए भैया आपको GenAI tools and corresponding tech stacks and library knowledge you should be having like the NumPy, AI technology, Python knowledge and other things are there. So fresh graduates or professional up to 1 year of experience can apply with for this important role. Moving to next, that is from the Amazon. They are hiring for the role of ML data operations, Go AI operations associates, and this is also a AI role. So willingness to work in non-tech role for contract duration of 6 months, ability to audit image, video, text-based role means you have to basically audit the images and willingness to switch on laptop camera while on virtual meeting. So this is a work from home drive and any bachelor degree can apply. So especially 2025 must apply for this role. Moving to next, that is from the Wipro. They are hiring for the role of intern L1 and this is the multi-location drive and you can check out the link in the descriptions. So you will have to work or collaborate with global teams and senior leaders and demonstrate leadership and qualities. So if you're interested you can apply for this role. Moving to next, that is from the FMG. They are hiring for the role of software engineer intern PHP and Java, and for this the job location is Bangalore. So they are continuously hiring from the computer science IT or related background and you should having good understanding of PHP, though this is outdated technology, but if you have knowledge then you can apply because PHP is corresponding to means uh, if I compare the other then this is easy language. So if you have knowledge then you can apply or you can getting lots of perks and benefits and conversion to PPO, that is pre-placement offer. Moving to next, that is from the red hat. Okay, now before that this is from the Salesforce. They're hiring for the role of summer 2027 intern software engineer and this is a full-time role. So if you are the freshers means you are from the BTech computer science IT or circuitry branches and graduating in 2028 then you can apply. For 2027 I already provided update, so those who apply they also got the reward mail. Now this is for 2028 pass out batch, so you can share this among your friends. Moving to next, that is from the Red Hat. So they are hiring for the two role. First is software quality engineer intern and second software engineer intern. Okay, and both are full-time role. For this the job location is Bangalore and for this job location is Pune Tower 6. So this is also a good company, but this is on a limited hiring, not a mass hiring, but still I suggest you can apply by corresponding you can say the job description. Okay, so those who are aligning you can apply. Don't apply for board drive, apply for any one drive according to the job descriptions. Moving to last important, that is for the 2023 2024 2025 pass out BTech CSIT AML. So if you have strong knowledge of full stack Python, full stack, a good communication problem solving skill, then you can share resume to this mail ID. Hope you know to कोई query feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you and best of luck those who are in Infosys exam. मिलते हैं next important job dates में. Thank you.